Hey guys, it's Jake from Ketch Products. We're at the Ketch headquarters. Today I'm going to show you our new Scotty mount compatible with the Hobie A-Trail. So the first part of installing the Scotty mount is you want to figure out where this mount is going to work best for you. In some cases, like mine, I would use the Scotty mount for my downrigger, so I would like to have it a little farther away from me. But in this case, we're going to be putting on a rod holder, so I'm going to want it a little closer to me by my seat while I'm trolling. You're going to want to install both rings and hold both of them to line up your square up top. Now just do this hand tight. Once you get them threaded by hand, you're going to do it just like how you thread the lug nuts on a car, and you're going to do somewhat of a star pattern. All right, now that we've got it all cinched up, this ain't going nowhere. We're going to install the universal Scotty mount with the arrow pointing inboard. Four bolts are installed on the Scotty mount. The final step is to add the specific Scotty accessory you'd like to use. In this case, we're going to be using the rod holder, so let's get it installed. Adjustments can easily be made with the Scotty mount. There's multiple ways to attach accessories to your Hobie A-Trail. When you're dragging downriggers, large trolling rods, and have salmon pulling drag, there's nothing that I trust more than the Ketch Scotty mount. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the water.